Hello, I'm Tatiana Place. I work for Bowhead Corporation. I'm a mechanical engineer, but I'm the production manager with the company. So at Bowhead, we build adaptive electric mountain bikes. We have 3 models now, all of which were designed within SOLIDWORKS and now 3DExperience. So what makes our bikes so unique is the articulation. And so we have independent articulation, steering, and cranking. And that's what makes our bikes so capable and accessible for our riders. But the reason that we're using SOLIDWORKS and now 3DExperience, which has helped so much, is communicating. So we need to know what works for our customers, and having a platform that allows you to connect and collaborate with customers, manufacturers, and resellers is what has, made us grow from 1 bike to 2 to now 3. Thank you.